Hello, little learners. Today we're going to meet a hungry crocodile. He always chooses the bigger number. Are you ready? The crocodile is very hungry. It always opens its mouth toward the bigger number. Which number is bigger, 3 or 7? Can you help our crocodile choose the number? Think for a moment. Let's find out which number is bigger. That's right, 7 is bigger. So the crocodile opens its mouth toward 7. 3 is less than 7. We read it like this. 3 is less than 7. This symbol is less than. If we turn it around, 7 greater than 3. Now the crocodile is opening its mouth toward 7 again. We read it like this. 7 is greater than 3. Remember, the open mouth always faces the bigger number. The pointed end always faces the smaller number. This symbol is greater than. Great job! Now you know how to use the greater than and less than symbols. Now let's try another example. Look at these two numbers, 8 and 5. Which number is bigger? Think for a moment. 8 is greater than 5. Our crocodile likes to eat more burgers. So our crocodile opens its mouth toward 8. We can write it using the greater than symbol. 8 greater than 5. We read it as 8 is greater than 5. Remember our rule. The crocodile's mouth always opens towards the greater number. The small pointed side always points to the smaller number. Now, we are going to compare two-digit numbers. Let's look at these numbers, 34 and 52. Which number is bigger? Think for a moment. Let's find out. To compare two-digit numbers, we always look at the tens place first. Let's break the numbers into tens and ones. 34-3 is in the tens place. 4 is in the ones place. So 34 means 3 tens and 4 ones. Now let's look at 52. 5 is in the tens place. 2 is in the ones place. So 52 means 5 tens and 2 ones. Now compare the tens. 3 tens or 5 tens? Which one is bigger? Yes, 5 tens is bigger than 3 tens. So 52 is bigger than 34. The crocodile opens its mouth toward 52. We write 34 is less than 52. We read it as 34 is less than 52. Now let's turn it around. 52 is greater than 34. We read it as 52 is greater than 34. Remember, first compare the tens. If the tens are the same, then compare the ones. Let's try another one, 46 and 49. Which number is bigger? Let's check. Both numbers have 4 tens, so the tens are equal. Now we compare the ones. 6 ones and 9 ones. Which is bigger? Yes, 9 is bigger. So 46 is less than 49. The crocodile opens its mouth toward 49. Great job! You can now compare two-digit numbers.
What happens when both numbers are the same? Let's find out. Look at these numbers, 23 and 23. Here the crocodile is a little bit confused. It doesn't open its mouth to either side. Both numbers have the same value. So 23 is equal to 23. We read it as 23 is equal to 23. Amazing job, little learners. Today we learned greater than, less than and equal to. Keep practicing the examples. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. PLs like and share the video for more funny maths problems.